Good morning, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. Today is the 18th of January and we're at Longford Road, the meeting of Bedworth and Nuneaton Island, the M6 up there. And this sign is quite dirty, not as bad as the last one, and it still needs cleaning. Right, so shall we get on it? I've got a new bottle attachment for my gun, which is there. Sorry about placement, product placement, no advertisement needed or asked for. That goes on the bottom of my gun, you'll see it in a second. Right, here's my trusty selfie stick and stand. Oops, just still recording. Bit of a mess up there, guys. Took that back a bit. It's only a little sign, but we've got plenty of time to do it. As you've seen, we're in a strange place, so I'll put a high vis out to highlight that I'm here. And let's get on with it. Well, guys, that wasn't a very long one. As you've seen, the water bottle with the soap in it, I went through that in seconds, but it did give an overall soaping, which was really good. There you go, Coventry, Longford Road, heading to Bedworth and Nuneaton. Jobbed. Okay, guys, just set the camera up, and I've just been speaking to an old guy who mentioned, because I was cleaning the sign at Longford, he said, are you going up to do the other one? Well, I didn't know there was another one, but he's pointing me up this road which leads to the city ground, which many people walk up this road to go to the city ground. So I'm going to go look for it now. He said it's just past the Novotel, so it should be around. Oh, right, okay, I can see it over the hedge now. Can you see that there in your bottom left hand corner? Right, that's not much for you, but let's go and do it. Our second one for the day, guys, on the 18th of January. We're at Wilson's Lane, which that way heads right down to the city ground by foot, because there's barriers in the middle of the road further around the corner, but there's an estate there, a Novotel there, and the motorway there. So if you want to come to the Coventry City matches, stay at the motel, get free parking, and then go home in the morning. Yeah, this sign, what can I say? It's quite dirty, bit like the last one, maybe a little bit more. But what we've got here again is we've got these signs on there. I've just ripped the plastic front off that one. I'm going to try to remove these ones. You've got a Leicester City one there, obviously sticking labels on Coventry things. There's another one there. It's got a wolf and a rose on it. Probably, I don't know, I won't even guess whose that is. But Coventry's the one that counts. Let's see if we can remove some of these stickers as well this time and get onto it. Those bottles just don't last long, do they? Good news for this one, the car's parked 10 feet away. Bloody warm work this. So once more, welcome to the city of Coventry, UK City of Culture 2021. There's a lot of stickers and glue from stickers and bits that have aged on this, but basically step back here and it looks 100 times cleaner, and for me that's job's jobbed. Thanks for watching. Also, just like the old bloke here told me about this sign being here, do any of yous know where there could be signs that I've missed? Obviously I've still got quite a few to do, but let us know in the comments. And just give a shout out for Asa from the Lake Districts and Rosso, his dog. Thanks for watching, thanks for commenting. See you in the future. Take care for now.